Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about our original shade cream contour. The first thing to mention is not to be scared by how dark the swatch looks. Our carefully crafted formula covers a wide variety of skin tones. The product can be blended out to look more natural or a lighter shade, and it can be built up with more depth to create a deeper, darker effect. Today I'm going to be showing you two different ways to apply the product. The first side, I'm going to be showing you how to create more of a natural look, and we're going to build it up a little bit more thicker and deeper on the other side. This product has been designed to create a contour that leaves your skin glowing with a sheer finish. The cream contour will glide over a fresh base, or it can be worn on its own, depending on the look that you're wanting to achieve. Here I've used our Peachy 04 brush. I've lightly pressed the product onto the brush, and I've used the lid of the pan of the product to disperse the product. This will help create an even application when applied to the cheek. If you're wanting a deeper, more defined contour, we recommend Peachy 18 brush. With its small head, it will help build the contour into the cheekbone and any other areas that you're wanting to build it up. Apply the product in the same way previously mentioned, and hold the brush onto the place where you're wanting to contour the skin. You'll be able to see how we can start mapping out a more precise shape of where we're wanting to contour. Continue to add your desired depth, and when you notice that there's less product on the brush, this is when you can start blending it over the top of the forehead and start blending in between the lines of where you've first applied the product. This will help create a seamless effect with the product. I'd also then go back to my Peachy 04 brush, and I would blend down the neck, blending out any of the product to help create the seamless effect of where the product has been applied. The cream contour comes in an 11-gram compact, and other useful info about this product is that it's amazing to use as an eyeshadow base to add depth to the crease, and also acts as a base for our loose pigments. Our cream contour was reformulated in 2020, adding it to our ever-growing collection of vegan and cruelty-free products. We really hope that you enjoy using the formula of this product. It's one of our most popular products, and we are all obsessed with it at Peaches. So I hope you love yours, and feel free to tag us when you're wearing your cream contour.